Murray? Is that your new bone, Murray? Hi, Lolo. Lolo's a good girl. Murray, is that your new bone? Come here. Let's get it. Come show it to me. Show it to me. Is that Lola's? Murr. Is this your new bone? You want it? Where are you going? Is that your new bone, Moo Moo? Tell Luke and Sarah thank you. Say thank you for leaving your dirty Santa present. It might be a little big, but I think he likes it. How is it, Mur?